Okay, the question is how to find a missing side in a right angled triangle. You can see here that in this particular triangle we've got two sides given and one side is missing. Now whenever something in mathematics is missing, we usually call it x. Now you have to remember that the right angled triangle has three sides, one of which is the longest side, and this longest side is always called the hypotenuse. As you can see, in this particular case, the hypotenuse is the missing side. If that's the case, we create the Pythagoras equation with the plus sign, and it looks like this. Hypotenuse squared will be equal this number squared plus this number squared, like this. Now, this is an equation that can be solved in 4 lines of working, including this first one. First thing we do is just copy that x squared equals, evaluate the squares. Now 5 squared is 25, plus 7 squared is 49. Now the third line, we still copy x squared equals, this time we're going to add 25 plus 49 is 74. Nearly there. Now I don't want x squared. It doesn't say x squared here, it says x. I just want x itself. In order to do that, I have to undo the square. I don't want the square. The opposite operation to squaring is square rooting. So basically, I had to square root the square to get rid of the square. So I have to get square root the 74 as well. Simplest way to do that is just to open a calculator. It needs to have a scientific view. 74 and then the square root button. Now this is a fairly long answer, but I think I'm just going to round this to 1 decimal place. So to me, it's just enough to say that x is 8.6 centimeters. And that's it.